What do you think about cryptocurrency becoming a promising investment for the future? It has been on investors' minds ever since Bitcoin started to skyrocket in value, but there is so much more information out there that it has become a daunting task to decide which cryptos to buy. This is your go-to channel for tips on how to grow economically and reach your dream financial goal. With over 16,000 crypto projects and currencies listed on coinmarketcap.com, a lot will likely fail, especially since cryptocurrency is already a volatile asset class on its own, where you are advised to only invest money you can afford to lose. If you are looking for cryptos with the potential to create millionaires by 2026 to invest in, this is the video for you, as 3 of such cryptos will be unveiled. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video because you will also learn tips on how to make money through cryptocurrency. The crypto market is a daunting place to navigate even for experienced traders, with crypto investors and enthusiasts excited about the financial and non-financial applications of blockchain technology, as well as the role it could play in the metaverse. Choosing among the highest quality and top-ranked cryptos makes more sense, and in this regard, here are the 3 cryptos to create millionaires by 2026. Number 3. Binance Coin. Binance, the world's largest centralized crypto exchange, is ranked 5th in terms of tokens sorted by market capitalization, and also the native token of the Binance Exchange and BNB chain. It is a cryptocurrency that users can use to pay fees and trade on one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Since it was launched in 2017, it has expanded from just facilitating trades to being used for booking travel arrangements or buying goods from other stores that accept this coin as a method of payment. The incentive BNB holders get when paying fees on the blockchain is that they get discounts. Those discounts or fee reductions have been able to create a growing community of traders who perform daily transactions. Binance is also committed to burning a certain number of coins every quarter until there is only 50% remaining in circulation. This tactic provides investors with increased prices over time because deflation increases value. This happens through competition among buyers. Given the importance of this exchange to the proper functioning of the sector, investors in BNB can achieve direct exposure to a robust proxy for the overall space. That is the critical thesis many long-term investors hold. Binance's performance relative to its crypto exchange peers has been quite notable. While a recent hack might have cast a doubt on security issues, it is clear that the bigger a crypto exchange gets, the more people will want to test its security. On the other hand, it complements the impressive ecosystem that Binance's developer teams had built. For all indications, this exchange will continue to dominate the market long term. There is competition, but Binance should be on any crypto investor's radar for millionaire-making cryptos. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is a world-class crypto project which provides the foundation for most of the utility we see generated in the world of decentralized finance. Whether it is gaming, NFTs, or a host of other applications, Ethereum is the key engine powering most of these innovations. Its recent massive upgrade, named the Merge, has set the stage for more efficiency-building upgrades over time. For now, the upgrade appears to have gone off, but one might expect to see some sort of price appreciation. Bitcoin and Ethereum are often fighting it out for supremacy in the crypto world. Both, however, have very different use cases. Bitcoin wants to act as an alternative to national currencies, while Ethereum was intended to create programs on its own, which is why it is a favorite for many developers. Another major difference between both is that Ethereum is moving from its current mechanism, which entails mining and creating new blocks with computational power calculations, called proof of work. The reason given for making this switch is that proof of work consumes too much electricity compared to the other alternative, which is proof of stake. Bitcoin uses proof of work, and it is one of the main arguments against its wider adoption. There are no such issues with Ethereum. Another great reason to invest in Ethereum is the active developer community. The latest upgrade is the Altair upgrade, which brought about significant numbers of changes to the blockchain. ETH is doing really well, as there are more major upgrades in the future. Over time, Ethereum's value is very likely to increase, but exactly when and by how much remains to be seen. If you are a part of those betting on this crypto's innovative and disruptive aspects, Ethereum is one of the top millionaire-making coins to mine and buy right now. Number 3. Solana. Another token from which all indications will be a top millionaire making crypto in years to come is Solana. It is a crypto project that achieves consensus using a proof of stake mechanism and its model known as proof of history mechanism. Proof of history enables the network to operate faster because nodes don't need to communicate to validate a block. It enables network participants to have a high degree of certainty that an event took place at a specific moment in time. A real-life example is when a person takes a picture of today's newspaper with the date and time recorded, so that it can be used to verify the newspaper in the future. Just like other various blockchains, Solana can run smart contracts. Its execution environment is based on eBPF, which allows the Rust, C, and C++ programming languages to be used. This token exposes investors to one of the fastest growing crypto networks you can find out there. Solana has an impressive ecosystem that has garnered tremendous attention last year. Just like Binance, Solana recently saw a massive hack of Mango Markets, which is a Solana-based DeFi trading and lending protocol. The hack resulted in $100 million worth of crypto being held ransom, with the hacker reportedly looking to return the funds pending a bad debt payment. Security issues has continued to plague Solana, and its fallen token price reflects the market's views in this regard. But if Solana is able to tighten up its code, it is a platform with the fundamentals to continue to move higher over the long term. Although the crypto market is relatively small at the moment, there is a great growth potential. The truth is, everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all end up doing just that. Many people either simply give up along the way or lose money because they do not properly understand how to make money with cryptocurrency. The crypto industry is still in its early stages of development, and as the crypto assets increase in price, more people come into the industry. These new investors are always trying to figure out how to make money from cryptocurrency. You can make a lot of money with cryptocurrency, but given the inherent volatility of crypto assets, most involve a high degree of risk, while others require domain knowledge or expertise. And as for the tips earlier mentioned in the video, here are a few tips and strategies for making money with crypto. First of all, you can either invest or trade in the crypto exchange market. You can actually do this without owning any crypto yourself, like investing in gold on the stock market. Investing is the long-term strategy of buying and holding on to crypto assets for some time. Crypto assets are generally well suited to buy and hold strategy, as they are extremely volatile in the short term, but have amazing long-term potential for growth. This investing strategy requires you to identify more stable assets that will be around for the long term. Assets such as the 3 mentioned in this video are the perfect choice. They show a long-term price increase and can be considered a safe investment in this regard. Secondly, you can use the coin you already own to lend and stake coins to the system or other users. Staking is a way of validating crypto transactions. It means that if you are staking, you own coins, but you do not spend them. Instead, you lock the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet. The reward you receive is quite similar to the interest a bank would pay you for a credit balance. Or, thirdly, you can participate in the blockchain system by mining or receiving coin rewards. Crypto mining, where the value of a cryptocurrency is generated. When you mine a cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. And to be able to mine, you need technical expertise and upfront investment in specialized hardware. If you find value in this video, give us a like, as it really makes a huge difference. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button so you get notified on subsequent videos you wouldn't want to miss. Drop your thoughts in the comments, as we would love to know what you think. We'll see you in the next video.